This is my review of the Jordan Mackey Buy 9 to 5 course. One thing I like about the course is that he's very honest with his methods, and I like that he shows proof that his method actually works. You're not going to find a lot of people who's going to provide you with real proof. They just kind of expect you to take their word on it. And then there's been many students from the Facebook group who's been successful using his methods. I had a prior experience doing YouTube years ago, and there's always like a few missing links that why I couldn't succeed. And one reason why I bought Jordan's course was he was able to fill in the gap that I didn't know about. I can definitely recommend his course. Like out of all the courses I've seen, his is actually the best and most realistic one. I like the fact that he keeps it updated and that he has very good communication with all his students. So if you have a problem or you can't seem to figure something out, you can always go to the Facebook group, message, leave a post on there. Somebody will be there to help you, or he'll come in and he'll answer your question. I say definitely worth the money, and then he don't even charge that much. So he's it's definitely worth what he's offering.